Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. The notification is out for the post of Engineer Executive Trainee or ET. The exam is scheduled to take place on 31st October to 1 to 2 November. Okay. Form filling has been started. You can apply from 13th September to 4th of October till 5 p.m. only, so make sure you hurry it up. If you belong to General OBC or EWS, you need to pay 800 rupees plus GST. And if you belong to SC/ST or physically handicapped, you need to pay 300 rupees plus GST. Let's talk about who can fill up the forms. We have the post of Executive Trainee HR, 10 seats over here. Executive Trainee Finance, 20 seats over here. Engineer Trainee Civil, 40 seats over here. Engineer Trainee Mechanical, we have 30 seats over here. Engineer Trainee CSIT, we have 20 seats over here. For Engineer Trainee Electrical, we have 15 seats over here. Engineer Trainee Chemical, we have 10 seats over here. Engineer Trainee Metallurgy, we have 5 seats over here. Okay, let's talk about syllabus you need to follow. If you are preparing for Executive Trainee HR, you need to follow MBA HR curriculum. And if you're looking for Executive Trainee Finance, you need to focus on CA/ICWA curriculum. Okay, if you are preparing for engineering, okay, you need to focus on AICTE UG courses. Okay, whatever you have studied in BE or BTech. Okay, this exam is for pass outs only, hence final year appearing students cannot apply. Make sure you are pass out. Now let's talk about paper pattern. This is a computer based test and you have 2.5 hours only. Okay, you have 1 mark per question and there is 1/4 negative marking. Okay, however there is no section wise cutoff. Okay, let's talk about pattern. The section 1 is concerned with your field. Okay, you have 120 questions. Section 2 is reasoning with 50 questions. Section 3 is GK with 20 questions. And section 4 is English with 50 questions. Overall, you have 4 sections and total of 240 questions. Okay. Now, what is these things? Okay, we will be discussing reasoning, GK, and English in detail. And the link is in the description box regarding this exam, the form filling as well as the syllabus. So make sure you check the description box. Let's talk about reasoning, GK, and English in detail. Here we are having reasoning. We are having 50 questions. Number system, decimal fraction, relation between numbers, percentage ratio, basic algebra, factor, heights, distances, APGP, analogies, similarities and differences, spatial visualization, spatial orientation, problem solving, analysis, judgment, decision, visual memory, discrimination, arithmetic, verbal, non-verbal, decoding, passage, Venn diagrams, etc. Okay, let's talk about GK. Here we have everyday science, sports, Indian culture, Indian history, Indian national movement, world and Indian geography, Indian economy and polity, national and international current affairs, environment, India's agriculture, trade and commerce with basic IT, etc. Okay. And in English we are having error recognition, fill in the blanks with verbs and preposition, synonyms, antonyms, spelling errors, idiom, phrase, misuse. Okay. One word substitution, sentence completion. We have shuffling sentences, comprehension passage, etc. Okay, these things, for these things the link is in the description box regarding the syllabus as well as the notification as well as for the form filling. So make sure you check the description box. So this is all for BHEL notification.